Our big story at 5 o'clock, the furloughs are back. Governor Schwarzenegger bringing back furloughs for thousands of state workers until the legislature passes a budget. KRON 4's Dan Kerman here with a look at what that means for state workers. Here we go again, Dan.
Here we go again, you're right. And the first thing it's going to mean is that workers are going to be furloughed 3 days a month. And that's starting right away, starting next month in August. The governor made his decision based on several factors. First, he said the legislature hasn't passed a budget. Second, the state controller says the state could run out of cash as early as October, so he'll begin issuing IOUs in August or September. Well, that's all the governor needed to hear, and he said to conserve cash, he has no choice but to furlough state workers until the legislature passes a budget.
The furloughs will save approximately $150 million per month. It affects about 150,000 employees. There are approximately 70,000 employees who are exempt.
So we're talking about fewer workers, though, this time. Why is that?
That's
fewer
right.
workers furloughed?
Well, they've exempted certain departments, the Franchise Tax Board, places that make money, also the Employment Development Department. Plus, there are about 6 employee unions that have reached tentative labor agreements, and those are also exempt from this. So now, instead of about 230,000 being furloughed, we're talking about 156,000.
And we talked about the DMV. That's, I think, the one thing that people care about most. A lot of people doing business.
Not exempt. So people for the DMV, you're going to see that if you have appointments with the DMV, they're going to be, the workers are going to be there 3 less days a month. Caltrans, for example, many of the Caltrans employees also who fix the roads and so forth, some of those people are going to be furloughed as well.
All right, and Dan, you know, the governor's saying now no budget, we have furloughs. But just yesterday, I believe it was, the governor said we may not even have a budget in place before I leave office in January.
Yeah, I mean, this is going to be a long time. And, you know, I talked to some state workers today. They said, you know, we are sick of him putting the state's problem on our backs.
All right, Dan, thanks for the update. And our web producer, Kimberly Sakamoto, has been keeping an eye on our comments, viewer comments about this issue. Kimberly.
That's right, Mark. Most of our viewers are expressing a lot of frustration at the governor's order. Let's go ahead and take a look at a few. On Facebook, Tobed said, we don't need furloughs. They should be laid off just as those in the private sector have had to suffer. Well, Kendra said, yeah, I just got the email. Looks like I will have to stop working Fridays now. I wonder how many people who voted for Schwarzenegger have lost their jobs and or homes. And Joanne just simply said, is he serious? Enough is enough. Ouch. So to read all about the latest furlough order, and we want to know what you think, all you have to do is visit KRON4.com.